Drake has made a mockery out of rap and hip hop culture. And I'm gonna tell you why.
Trap music history expert A.R. Shaw.
A.R. Shaw. A.R. Shaw. A.R. Shaw. A.R. Shaw.
A.R. Shaw, author of Trap History, Atlantic Culture, and the Global Impact of Trap Music.
Before we get started, I am A.R. Shaw, the author of the book Trap History, Atlantic Culture, and the Global Impact of Trap Music. Like, subscribe, A.R. Shaw TV. So let's just get right into it. So Drake, he takes legal action against Universal Music Group and Spotify and claims that both colluded to falsely boost Kendrick Lamar's Not Like Us in terms of buying bots, streams, things of that nature. And so, if you go into the lawsuit, it kind of details pretty much Drake's accusations and what he thinks occurred in terms of Kendrick Lamar benefiting from Universal Music Group and also Spotify and some type of collaboration. This morning, we find out that Drake files another legal action, not a lawsuit, but basically takes legal action and claims that UMG could have halted the release of Not Like Us, which falsely claims that Drake is a sex offender. Does this come? What is Drake's end game with this? Like, what is he really trying to prove? One, my initial thoughts is that he's trying to get out of this contract. 2022, Drake signed to Universal Music Group for about $400 million. For whatever reason, he wants to get out of this. He wants to get out of this contract. I think that's probably what he's trying to do. He's trying to get out of this contract. But at the same time, it's like, is it worth jeopardizing the future of your career as an artist for this lawsuit? And so the thing is this, in terms of hip hop, you're only as good as your credibility. How credible are you to your audience? And this has never happened in hip hop. Hip hop is like 51 years old, a little bit older if you want to talk about how it was influenced by jazz, funk, things of that nature. But hip hop has had a lot of interesting stories. And I don't think there's ever been a case where an artist sued over a diss record. I mean, you think about diss records and the art of rap battles. It's really about sport and competition. Whoever has the best verbal jabs, and that's and whoever the audience says wins, that's the person who is the victor. And I don't think Drake really either he doesn't understand that, or this battle went deeper than he expected it to go. And to basically run to the police, it's like I say initially, it's like he's really making a mockery of rap culture. He's making a mockery of hip hop by filing these legal actions that would basically put him him and his attorneys in line for a potential lawsuit, defamation lawsuit against Not Like Us, and also a lawsuit against UMG for colluding to inflate Kendrick's numbers on the song Not Like Us. I want you guys to check out my op-ed piece on Atlanta Daily World. I talk about how you let outsiders in and they infiltrate the culture. Someone like a Ray Gunn who got into breakdancing and pretty much embarrassed and made a mockery out of hip hop. Drake is doing that now. Drake is making a mockery out of rap culture. And it's insane that he's going out like this in terms of just him being one of the biggest artists of all time. Not just in rap, but just one of the biggest music artists of all time is willing to basically barter his career for this lawsuit. Because after if this lawsuit goes through, if it goes to court, I don't know who finds him credible again. How do you find someone credible who runs and files a lawsuit over a rap diss? How do you find him credible in hip hop? I don't think that happens. I don't think people who really enjoy it and gravitate or ingrain in the culture really gonna rock with him after this. And a lot of things that Kendrick says, right, it seems. It seems that what Kendrick was saying about Drake, him as a person, he's really not of the culture. And these these legal motions let us know that Kendrick probably wasn't any fairy tales, is what Drake would say. Now, with this defamation suit saying that Drake is saying that Kendrick was wrong for calling him a sex offender on Not Like Us, I would say this. I would say he's in danger of opening up a rabbit hole. And, we don't know where this thing can go. And we don't know what type of people are going to show up and say and bring forth accusations. And there have been a lot of things, sketchy things around Drake in terms of some of the women who he's been involved with, their age, things of that nature. We don't know how deep this rabbit hole can get. So I think it's he's walking a very sketchy line, and he's really, like I said, he's bartering the rest of his career for this lawsuit. And of course, I think Not Like Us captivated the entire nation and world. Kendrick is gonna be on the Super Bowl singing Not Like Us. And so, like I said, I'm trying to figure out what Drake endgame is, but right now he just looks like someone who's not of the culture and has found a way to make a mockery out of it. And like Kendrick says, he's just not like us. That's just what it is. He's not like other culture. He sees someone who saw the culture from the outside looking in, gravitated towards it, but he's not of it, because no one who's of the culture would take legal actions following a diss record. It just doesn't happen. You guys are following me again, AR Shaw TV. Like, subscribe. Check out my book, Trap History, Atlanta Culture, and the Global Impact of Trap Music.